Allow me to read, Your Honors, my affidavit. I, Police Colonel Hector U. Grijaldo, third level officer. I was approached by a security personnel while I was seated in one of the witnesses during the hearing. The said person told me that I was summoned by Congressman Dan Fernandez. When I entered the room, I saw two lawyers of Police Colonel Garma. After a while, Kong Dan Fernandez entered the room and he asked me to sit beside him on his right side. And then Kong Abante entered the room, sat far end of the chair on the right. Kong Dan Fernandez put the paper he was holding on the table and told me,